Have you ever wondered how the gray powder called cement becomes the backbone of skyscrapers, bridges, and homes? What if I told you this simple-looking material goes through fire hotter than lava? Stay till the end. You'll see cement like never before. Welcome to the heart of modern infrastructure. This is the journey of cement, a process of fire, stone, and extreme precision. It begins in the earth. Heavy machinery extracts limestone and clay, the foundational raw materials for everything we build. These massive rocks are transported to crushers, where mechanical force grinds them into a fine raw powder. Precision is key. The materials are mixed in exact proportions to create a perfectly balanced raw meal. Now, we enter the kiln. At temperatures hotter than lava, the raw meal transforms into glowing red clinker. The clinker is rapidly cooled, locking in its chemical properties before moving to the final stage of grinding. Mixed with gypsum, the clinker is ground one last time into the ultra-fine powder that fuels global construction. Stored in silos and packaged with speed, the cement is finally ready to head out to the world. Next time you see a building, remember, it all started with fire, stone, and precision engineering. Like, share, and subscribe to see more amazing factory processes.